What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. It's good to have you all here in this video. If you're new to this channel, first of all, welcome. But second of all, what I usually do is I take a look at some of the news around crypto and Bitcoin. And then we do a technical analysis, mainly kind of seeing what the price is doing and what's most likely to happen next. Bitcoin right now is at 19,250. Volume is still very high. As you can see, it's still 10.5% of the market cap. That's quite high. All right, if you compare that with the last month, you can also see we came from a high of 54 billion, which is obviously way more, but still it's relatively high. And I think we've actually dropped down a little bit since the top. Yeah, we like yesterday evening as well. I checked and we were at 19,400, which was great. But yeah, so no real news around crypto. Obviously, 2 days ago we had that interest rate hike, which caused some moves, as you can see, but it does look like we're actually managing to hold on. Apart from that, I mean, you can also clearly see if we drag this away, you can clearly see that there's still a lot of bearish momentum going on, right? You can see all of these EMAs still trending down. You can still see that we're kind of making lower highs and lower lows. So even though it's not really positive yet, it is good that we've managed to actually hold our levels and to increase in price after that interest rate hike. So now let's take a look at the price and let's see. Yesterday what I said is that I did expect us to kind of get up to that 19,500 level. That's just, if we zoom in, that's just a very strong level. That's the top of this resistance level, and that has that 50 EMA, that red line. Which has been very strong in the last few months. All right, here you can see that bam, 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 big touches off of it. And here also as a support, and here a little bit less because we were consolidating. But again, here that 50 EMA is very strong. So I did expect that we were going to drop. I think we're going to drop. But now the main question are we just going to drop till 18,500? Or are we all going to drop all the way back down to 18,000 again? And I gotta be honest, I think that's a difficult question. I still think in general for Bitcoin and for crypto, I think we're going to hold this whole level between 17,600 and 19,500. And I think that we're also going to be able to from this level, excuse me, get back up to 22,000. I think that's all possible. That's what I think is going to happen over a little bit more of the longer term. Definitely in October, which is historically a bullish month for crypto. But before that happens, we could still drop down to 17,600, which would be a not a low, but it would be like a double bottom, as you can see, which would be a great reversal indicator. But let's not make it too complicated. So yeah, somewhere I do kind of expect us to drop down to at least 18,000 and probably even 17,600. It would be great though. I mean, we're going to drop down. We're going to find support at 18,500 around there. If we can actually get a strong touch off of there, all right, then we're probably going to stay up here and break above 19,500 and get up to 20,000 and 20,500. But if we just get a weak touch like this, then we're probably going to drop down lower. All right, but I will be back with more Bitcoin updates, obviously, in the upcoming days. So if you're interested in that, make sure to subscribe. But for now, that's my take on what I think is going to happen and what looks to be most likely. All right, so yeah, I want to wish you all a great weekend in advance. But for now, that's my analysis. So thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today and bye.